Today we will discuss about fundamental Cutset matrix. This is the graph. From this graph we will develop fundamental Cutset matrix. From this graph we can draw several number of tree. One of the tree is given by this. So suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So 1 tree is this. So this is 4. So tree is solid line and the corresponding co-tree given by dotted line. So this is co-tree is dotted line. Here the branch of tree A, this is B and this is D. So branch of tree is called twig. So here twig is A, B and D. A, B and D. And the branch of co-tree is called link. So here link is, this is link E and this is link C. So here is link is C and E. Okay. So this is the corresponding one possible tree and its co-tree. The branch of the tree is called twig and the branch of the co-tree is called link. Now we have to know what is the Cutset. What is the Cutset? This is the number of branch containing one twig and number of link. Okay, number of link. So what is the Cutset? Cutset is number of branch containing one twig, that means A, B and D or D, and number of link. There is maybe several number of link. But what will be the fundamental Cutset? Fundamental Cutset is the group of branches containing one twig. There must be one twig and minimum number of link. So link must be minimum. This is the difference. So difference between Cutset and fundamental Cutset is, for Cutset matrix it contains only twig and number of links, maybe more 2 or 3 or more. But in this case fundamental Cutset, you have to take one twig and minimum number of link. So from this graph what will be the number of Cutset? So this is one twig. So number twig A. From twig A you can take a Cutset. Suppose this is Cutset number C1. You can take here, from this condition you can take this. This is one twig, that means D. From twig D you can see cut 2. This is C cut 2. And this is one twig, that means B. You can take another Cutset, suppose Cutset 3. This is the 3 possible cut set from this graph. You cannot take this cut set because it contains 3 twig. So for cut set only contain 1 twig. So for cut set number C1 it take 1 twig, take twig number A, and from this cut set it contain only twig D, and in this case C3 it contain only B. You cannot take this as a cut set because this contain 3 twig. So 3, if a cut set contain 3 twig, it's not possible. For cut set it must be 1 twig. Now if you take in this, no, you have already take it. So this is the possible cut set for this graph. So you also calculate the number of cut set or fundamental cut set. So number of fundamental cut sets equals to the number of twigs. So number of twigs. So number of twigs means is minus 1. From this graph we have 4 nodes. So it is 4 minus 1, so 3. So this is the number of fundamental cut set is 3. Now we have to find out fundamental cut set matrix. Fundamental cut set matrix. The mathematical form of the fundamental cut set are represented in matrix form is called fundamental cut set matrix. So here there is 2 parameter. One is the column of the matrix and one is the row of this matrix. The column of the matrix, that means represent branches. Here is branch is A, B, C and D and E. So there are 5 branches, and in this case it will be fundamental cut set. Fundamental cut set. We have 3 cut set, C1, C2 and C3. So this is suppose matrix A. Now we take the cut set in this direction. Suppose this is the direction of cut set in this direction. This is in this direction. In this direction. In this case, this is in this direction. Cut set is along this direction. Okay. So there is 3 entity is coming. This +1, -1 and 0. +1 means the orientation of cut set. Orientation of cut set is same as the branches. Okay, and -1 is orientation of the cut set is opposite to the branches, and there is no contact, then it will be 0. From C1 there are 2 E and A, the same direction. So if this is same direction, so all are positive. This is A and E. So this is positive and this is positive. B, C, D is not connected to this cut set. So all are 0. Now C3, C2, this is cut set C2. From this case, D only in same direction, C and E are opposite direction. So D is positive quantity and E is -1 and C is -1. All are not connected. So this is the Cutset 2. This is, and in this case B is in the same direction. So B is +1 and C is opposite direction. So this is -1. The remaining quantity is 0. So this is the fundamental Cutset matrix of this graph related to network. Now what will be the importance of this fundamental Cutset matrix? From this fundamental Cutset matrix we developed the Kirchhoff current law. So what will be the Kirchhoff current law? Kirchhoff current law, Kirchhoff's current law is the fundamental Cutset matrix, that means A into I, that means current, that means I branch current, this is branch current. Suppose this is branch current must be equals to 0. So from this graph, this is the fundamental Cutset matrix. So this is the fundamental Cutset matrix. This is A, B, C, D, E. This is 1. All are 0 except E. This is 0. This is -1. This is +1. This is -1. This is 0, 1, -1, 0, 0. This is the Cutset matrix of this graph, and this is the branch current. So branch current of A, branch current of B, branch current of C, branch current of D, branch current of E is equals to the 0. Okay, so from each row we take one KCL equation. Okay, so there are number of KCL equation from this Cutset matrix. So from this Cutset matrix, this is IA plus IE equals to 0. This is equation number 1. From this row we take IC minus IC plus ID minus IE equals to 0. This is another KCL equation. And from this row, this is IB minus IC equals to 0. This is equation number 3. So from this Cutset matrix we can develop the KCL equation of this graph related to network. So this is IA plus I equal to 0, one KCL equation. This is IC minus IC plus ID minus IE equals to 0, and then the IB minus IC equals to 0. This is the possible KCL equation of this graph related to network. So using fundamental Cutset matrix and fundamental Cutset matrix we can develop KVL equation and KCL equation of a network using graph theory.